Hey, I'm Mike from musicradiocreative.com. In this video, I will show you how to use Apple's Reverb plugins inside Adobe Audition if you're on macOS. Okay, here we are with a lovely sample from Stephen, one of our voiceover artists.
Now buckle up, because it's time to get started.
And I can go into my effects rack here and go to AU if I'm on a Mac, Apple, and a couple of great reverb options here. We've got Reverb 2, and we've also got, let's have a look for it, high up here, Matrix Reverb. So two types of reverb. Matrix Reverb, very, very complex, but comes with a lot of presets to try. Cathedral. You can hardly hear anything because it's up at 100% dry wet.
Now buckle up, because it's time to get started.
And you can roll through to a large room.
Now buckle up, because it's time to get started.
Or a small room like this.
Now buckle up, because it's time to get started.
Very small amount of reverb going on there, but of course you can have a play with this. Many of the features, if you've already played with Adobe Audition Reverb, you will know. And then looking at the different type of reverb that is called Reverb 2, this is kind of a simpler reverb really from Apple. And again, similar presets.
Now buckle up, because it's time to get started.
But a different way if you're on macOS of playing with reverb, and maybe if you play with this, you might find a reverb effect that you really like. So go have fun with it and let me know how you get on in the comments to this video.